guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually an unboxing of my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I know it's a bit late. My head's been in a whirl anyway, so I was late getting it as well on my end, so and then I just didn't have time to film. So just to prove that I haven't already opened it, it's just to show you that it's sealed and that it's the Beautylish box. Obviously my address is on the front, so I can't show you that. So we are going to crack this open together as we always do and see what goodies we've got. The other thing, I don't think I've got my scissors. Let me just get my scissors. Ugh. These are the only scissors I've got. Please excuse the fact that I have two different eye looks. I do lives on Facebook for a brand, Shadow Moon Cosmetics. I've mentioned them in a video before, and I always end up doing two different looks. It's like my thing now. So we're just going to roll with it. So I'm just opening this. Right. I haven't seen a lot of spoilers on this. The only thing I have seen is people complaining that you're getting Ardell lashes in it. Now I must admit, if I do have any Ardell lashes, I am going to be like miffed about that, because whilst I think they're an alright lash, I see it as more of a drugstore lash, not as a like luxury lash. So I don't know, it just seemed a bit weird to me. But let me just open it. Oh, I love the paper this year. I keep the paper, by the way. Every year I've kept the paper, so I love it. It's beautiful. So let me just open this up and then we can open it together. Sorry, I weren't going off to cheat then. I had to get a thumbnail. But she looks so pretty. So just to prove that I've not opened it, this is what... Right, so it always comes... It always comes with black tissue paper, but they've not wrapped it up this time, so I'm going to have to then just dive in each one at a time. It's all in bubble wrap. No, they never normally do that. Right. Yeah, it's all in bubble wrap. Normally they individually wrap, not individually wrap, but you know, they wrap it. Does not have anything in it. No, it's just paper. Right, let's put the box on the floor. I'm not going to look in, so like I've got the back of it to me, so I can't see anything. As much as I can anyway. Right, so I'm just going to go in and pick out what I can. So the first thing that I got is a Good Molecules silicone-free priming moisturiser. Ooh, I like that. I knew we were going to get a Good Molecules because I'm pretty sure that's the Beautylish brand, if I remember rightly. But I like that because I'm loving moisturising primers on my face. As I'm getting older and drier, I just feel like my skin needs it. So yeah, that is nice. The next thing... Ooh, it's a Sugar Pill Liquid Lip in Strange Love, which is metallic sparkle. Let's hope it's a nice colour. It looks like it might be... Oh no, it's like a red. Oh, I like that. I've never tried one of the Sugar Pill liquid lipsticks as well, so that's a nice one. Let's go back in. What are you? Surat. Is that a brand? Surat? I don't know, it's a blush anyway. I don't know if this is the full size or whether it's a sample. Oh, it's a pretty blush though. Nice peachy colour. Surat. I think that's Arctique blush. Arctique.
Oh, you're still doing it?
Mum, I'm filming a YouTube video.
Is that a song?
No.
Okay.
Go away. You just ruined it. Right, sorry, my mum decided to come into the extension at the front of the house and disturbed my dog, so I had to go let her out. So the last thing we said was I got this blush. I'm not sure if it's a sample size or whatnot. It's a pretty blush. A bit like of a boring ad, but it is what it is. So what is this? I think this is the brush set that people were getting in it. It looks like a brush roll. Yeah. I don't know who they're by, it just says unit and then like 1, 2, 3. They do look like pretty nice brushes though, to be fair. I like my brushes, so I'm a bit of a snob. But they look really soft. And they're quite, like, you know, they've got like, look at that small detail brush, that's nice. I kind of like the bag that it comes in as well. So not too bad. And then this is a faux fur brush roll. I mean, it's cute, it's just not practical. I am a working MUA and this will be manky in seconds. I might put this in a giveaway because I am doing a giveaway soon, so I might put it in that. It looks like it is from Beautylish as well, because it says Beautylish Presents, so they must be like doing their own thing now. So I'm just going to wrap that up because I probably will give that away because I'll have no use of it. But then finally, the last thing in this is, woohoo! I got a Charlotte Tilbury palette. Woo! I know loads of people were getting like Jeffree Star and stuff like that, but I'm actually quite happy about getting Charlotte Tilbury. So this is the Icon palette. Packaging is lush. And that is what she looks like. They look like they're all foils though, which I don't know if they're meant to be all foils. I don't like foil palettes. Still really, really pretty though, if I show you that, but let me see. It doesn't say anything. I used to hypnotise, it says that. It doesn't say, it just says, I don't know, because a few of them look like they might be mattes, it's just the way they're pressed. I wonder if the things say it. No, that doesn't say it. But yeah, pretty nice, and that is like quite an expensive palette. I'm pretty sure it's like 40, 50 pounds, something like that, so quite nice. It's not my favourite box, I'm not gonna lie. I think they skimped a bit, like, I don't know. I think it is a gamble when you take these kind of things. I think I've been lucky in previous years in the fact that I've got something very luxurious. I'm kind of gutted this year that I didn't get another Wayne Goss brush, so to say, because I like to sort of collect them just because I know that it comes in this, and that's usually like a £25 brush, so it always like made it worth it. I feel like this was a bit subpar compared to other years, but I will still get next year's, well technically this year's, because I do like getting them. I save up for it, it's, you know, it's in my budget and I do like getting it, so I am still going to give them another chance. So if you have liked this video, let me know down below what you think of what I got. If you got a box, let me know what you got, what you thought of it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you want to keep like, you know, like watching me, obviously. Duh, made that awkward. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.